Hey guys, it's SakiV here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's another video guys, and for today's video is kinda, marami siya sa akong mga content videos kay we're going to eat or we're going to have a mukbang. But I'm going to eat and tell you guys facts about me. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. I have here the burger, steak, fried chicken, of course it's spicy, ta-da, spaghetti, and sundae, coke, the spicy fries, and then the normal fries, regular fries. I don't know. Okay, so let's start. But wait a day. God. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, okay? So no. So, in saying facts about yourself, so basically it will start with your full name. So my full name is Samantha Christine Humawan Viernes. It's too long, but I don't know why. I'm not named after anyone because my father and mother's name is not combined for my name. Maybe my sister's name is combined by my parents' name, but mine is not. As in, layo rin siya kay guys. I was born and raised here in SakiV, guys. So, basically, I'm a Siki Woodman. So, right now, I'm grade 11 and I'm taking STEM. So, I studied in SakiV State College, as what I've mentioned in my previous vlog, which is the reading people's questions and assumptions about me. So if you haven't watched that video, the link is down below, so watch it guys. Okay, so guys, as you can see in my background, it's SpongeBob, and most of my things here in my room is SpongeBob, so you guys can tell that I really love SpongeBob and I really love color yellow. I'm introvert person, like I'm so shy, and then I really love fried chicken. Like I can eat fried chicken whole day, whole month, like yeah. I also love ice cream guys, and my favorite flavor is Rocky Road. Like I also have weird habit, like I always bite my nails. So it's so weird, like I want to stop that habit but I just can't. I love pizza guys. Pizza is life. So my favorite drinks are chocolate, whatever is that, basta chocolate guys. My favorite song as of the moment is the songs of December Avenue. Like I just love their songs. So balawan, maminaw sa ilang mga songs as in ang sarap sa ears. My favorite sport guys is sleeping. Joke without. Guys, I like basketball. Yeah. Believe it or not, I like basketball, but basketball don't like me. My favorite place that I want to go is of course Japan and Korea. My favorite subject in high school is no other than math. Charot! Joke guys, I despise math so much. And my favorite subject is snack time. Joke. It's science. I have pet and it's Mikey. He's a dog. My hobby in life is of course filming and editing videos, but of course time management. I also do my homeworks and study some of my notes, and of course if I go mo guys, come on mag-ego. My birthday guys is September 21, 2002, so I just turned 17. Gulangan na din ako, no? I love Wattpad. I'm a Wattpad reader and I just love Wattpad so much, but right now murag na-stop sa pagbasa kay, you know, busy, so I don't have any time to read na. Showtime. Another, I'm not fond of watching TV, like, no. Di ko tignan og TV, guys. Promise. My favorite author is Jonah. It's Jonah XX. Guys, my biggest fear is facing many people. Oh my god, my pet is so noisy yun. That's it. The item that I can't live without is, of course, my cell phone. All of us can't live without cell phones nowadays, right? So, yeah. Guys, and believe it or not, I'm a night owl. As in, I'm not a morning person, but I'm a night owl. Like, I'm so active. I'm so active when gabi. But if buntag, I'm so luya. The time that I usually get up in the morning, especially there's classes, is 5:30 to 6. Yeah, like that. But if it's weekend, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or yeah, that's true, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or maybe ang akong kinasayuhan is 11 to 12. Yeah, like that. I'm a Bisaya, like, yeah, pure, and I'm also pure Pinay. My mother is Filipino, my father is Filipino, so basically I'm a Filipino too, as in 100% Filipino. My dream job soon in the future is, yeah, of course, to become a YouTuber, and of course to be a successful, you know, successful person. I also good to people na good sa nako. Yeah. I'm not maldita or what. I'm not OA. I'm not, you know, like that. Yeah. So, wala. Wala na sa pagkatao, guys. Okay, if hindi nyo. But, guys, I'm a funny person too. If you guys ma-close ta, kayo yung sabaan kay ko. Yeah, I'm so noisy when my friends, especially when the people around me are close to me.
Five hours later.
I think that's all, guys. I'm gonna end this video here, so I hope you like this video. Please give a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell below to get notified whenever I post a new video. So shout out to Rex Delmo, Home Yano Macne, and Jimson Tubio. So that's all, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. I know you love spaghetti. I know you love spaghetti. Love ko to.
Ay kato daw ni sa science fair nga kana ganing mo anak kag ulo.
Lagi
Sige,
kato.
ulo ni Luwe kato daw ng bula. Sige kunin.
Oy, dili ko pa si President. Si President.
Sige yun.
Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe.
Ako.
It's me, Arvin. Subscribe, guys. Sige, go. Yeah. What are you like? Yeah, what? Amri. Gisi. Papel.
Oh. Duga ka ice katong ice blanca.
Kana, ayaw ko na kay etang muna.
Oh. May nakita imo ang